Now, what does the question says? What does as 1 plus second option says that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal 10. Is this a class equation or not? Since we know that class equation of any element always divides the order of the group. Okay, here is class conjugate class of any some element is 3. Okay, and 3 doesn't divide 10, so this cannot be class equation, because here is one class conjugate class whose order is 3, and conjugate order of the conjugate class order of the conjugate class of every element always divides the order of the group. Here is 3 is the order of some conjugate class of some element of G. So this must divide the order of G, but this cannot divide order of G. This will contradicts that conjugate class divides the order of G. Okay, hence option 2 is also false, means wrong option. Okay, now let me tell about option 3. What does option 3 say? Is this a class equation or not? Here 5 also divides 10, so divides 10, and here is there is no way to contradict it. Okay, if we yeah, my intuition says that this is a class equation of D5. Okay, in in order to talk about dihedral group, I already informed that the class equation of a dihedral group, whenever n is odd, okay, 1 plus n plus 2 do up to till the ordered maintained. Okay, so here this is a dihedral group because d5 and its center of d5 is 1. Clearly its center is 1. Okay, and this is a class conjugate class of some element whose order is 5, and the okay this is just the class equation of a dihedral group. Okay, this can be the class equation of d5. Is this a class equation or not? Please do this. Here order of the center of G is 2 and 2 divides 10 clearly, and here order of class equation conjugate class is 2 2 2, but here is no conjugate class whose order is 5 and 5 divides 10. Okay, please, I leave it for the exercise. Please do it. Okay, please do it, and please try to solve it how many ways you can solve it, and on fine this. Please also approach this problem by different point of view, by different way. Okay, think the problem independently, make someone aware about the mathematics. Okay, you can also compare like this order of G upon order of normalizer equal class order of the classic conjugate class of A. Okay, you can also here, since we know that order is always order of any subgroup is always some natural number. Okay, some natural number. So compare with yours and try to check whether which is the class equation and that is the class equation. Okay, please comment, share and subscribe my video. Okay, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can notified easily whenever I upload another video. Okay, now please also do it, not for me, for yourself. Okay, if you will done it, then you will feel happiness. Okay, but in doing you may feel some difficult. Please do it, it's very easy, not too difficult. Okay, not only, also apply Salo theorem it. Okay, it's the one clue I give you. Okay, also do by another way, using the normalizer, using the centralizer, which and this and that center of the group. Okay, apply these things and try to solve this. Okay, So don't forget to now uh, clearly dn. Okay, if n is even, then class equation takes this far, and 2 to up to ordered is maintained means order is maintained means that till it becomes sum 2n. Fine. And here n is even. Okay, even divided by 2 is even, even divided by 2 is even, and this sum of two even number is even, and this 2 and uh, add 2 to the even numbers. Okay, suppose x is even plus 2, x plus 2 is also even, and till here even, and this is also even, sum of even is even. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, eh, please share as much as you can do. Please, I request to share as much as you can, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, because in coming days, after uh, completing the question from the C part which is asked by CSIR net, okay, I will go towards the linear algebra and real analysis. Okay, which I feel then I will start. Okay, in accordance of my subscribers, in after taking an suggestion of my subscribers. But does my subscribers say which should I start, whether linear algebra or real analysis? Okay, please share as much as you can, subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, and if you suggest me regarding the video, okay, i I welcomes. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.